What's going on, folks? Have you ever had a problem, if you happen to know somebody that has a Jaguar S Type? This is pretty much the same thing from about the 98 to about the 2007, to where, say you have a little button inside of your glove box normally that you can press to open up your gas tank. And a lot of times those buttons can go bad on these vehicles, to where when you're trying to actually open up your door to put gas in it, it won't open. So a lot of times what people wind up doing when this happens is they wind up breaking this door open so they can get gas in their vehicle. But on the Jaguar, basically the S Type, from about the 98 to the 2007, there's actually a lever that you can pull that's inside of your trunk that would allow you to open up your gas door. I'm gonna show you where that's at. So if you was to have that issue where this door right here won't open, if you come inside of your trunk on the same side as your gas tank is, or your door is at, and pull back this siding right here, look in here, what you will find is there's a lever right here. And if you take this lever, you can see both, and pull this lever, what it will do is pop open your door. When we pull it, see how the door popped open? Pretty much I just pulled this lever right here that's in the inside of the trunk on the same side basically as your gas will go in that. Because a lot of times the door won't open because if that button inside of your glove box or on the side of your vehicle messes up, it won't pop this door right here. So now you're not going to be able to get no gas in your vehicle. So once again, what you have to do is just come inside of your trunk. It could be the same also for many other years of the Jaguar vehicle, but definitely from, like I said, about the 98 to 2007, and just come in here and look right here. You'll find a lever, and all you will have to do is just pull that lever and your door will open up like that, and you should be able to put gas in your vehicle. All right, folks, once again, this is a way that you could pop your gas door on a Jaguar from a 1998 to about the 2007 basically, believe it's the S Type Jaguar. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.